Use video marketing for your online business. This content is provided by theodorehenderson.com. Please like and share this video. Subscribe and follow us to get notified of new releases. No matter what online business you are in, you can benefit from video marketing. You should create a YouTube channel for your business and add videos to it regularly. YouTube is the second largest search engine globally, behind Google, and gets billions of visitors every month. You may not be that excited about the prospect of making videos for your online business. But it is not as difficult as you might think. The other thing that puts online business owners off of making videos is that they don't want to show their faces on camera. Well, here is a harsh reality. It would help if you got over showing your face on camera. People must see who you are, and videos are the best way to do that. There is no need for you to make Hollywood-style videos, nobody is expecting that. But you do need some good quality equipment. If you still don't want to show your face or use your voice, see the video description for AI-based applications to help you create high-quality videos such as this one for your audience. A good camera. HD video cameras are getting cheaper all of the time. You can find a high-quality HD camera on Amazon for around $100 these days. Some smartphones and tablet devices have good quality video cameras, and you could use these. But a standalone video camera is likely to produce a better result for you. If you shoot footage at your desk, then invest in a good quality HD webcam. You can position these easily so that they capture your head and shoulders, which is fine. Again, these are not expensive, and there are some good ones available from around $50. A good microphone. One of the worst things you can do is use an inferior quality microphone with your videos. The microphones in smartphones and laptops are not the best quality. You can find a good quality USB microphone on Amazon for less than $100. Audio quality is paramount. If your viewers cannot hear you or understand what you are saying because you are using a poor quality microphone, you will lose them. So make sure that your microphone provides good audio quality. How-to videos. Videos that show people in your niche how to overcome a problem they are having may even go viral. You can create an over-the-shoulder video that shows how to get the best results from a software application. You will need screen recording software to do this, such as the free Cam Studio or Camtasia, which comes at a one-time price. Let's say that you are promoting a product that will fix a number of issues your niche audience has. You can create a video that shows people how to fix one of the problems and then tell them that they will need to get the training course if they want to fix other problems. Video optimization. You need to optimize your videos so that they can be found with a YouTube search. YouTube search is the largest search engine after Google. If your video is not appearing in the first few search results, you will hardly get any views. Use your main keyword in the title of the video and secondary keywords and phrases in the description and tags. On the first line of the video description, add a link to your website or offer page. If you are not using videos for marketing your online business, then you need to start today. Visit Theodore Henderson.com for complimentary resources and business tools.